Hi guys, what's up? Jobs here again ng Casual Guru TV. At sa vlog na ito, ang gagawin natin is mag-install tayo ng Ertiga Amotriz body kits. Itong Ertiga na to, ayan, gagawin natin ganito. Ayan. So, we're just waiting for the Ertiga to be washed. Teka, panoorin natin. Ayan, hinugasan na guys. And then, we will get started. Oh, malapit na matapos. Malapit na, Maris. Matagal na. Ito naman yung body kits, ano. So, let me just show you this. Amotriz body kits from Thailand. Ito yung para sa Ertiga. We haven't unwrapped this yet, but let me just show you this front chin. Yeah, it's really nice, di ba? Bagay na bagay yan dito. Yan, kaya nalilinisan na natin maigi mga kaibigan. And ito naman, ito, yan, XL7. Poging-pogi na yan mga kaibigan. Actually, naka-body kits na yan kapag binili nyo. Wala lang dyan spoiler. So we're going to install a spoiler on this XL7. And tapos na tayo sa car wash guys. Merwin Bailey is in the house. At siya mag-install ang ating body kits for today. And what he's doing right now is he's drying the body of the car further. And kailangan kasi ito yung tuyo. Lalagyan niya na rin ng alcohol para matanggal yung mga contaminants. And while he's doing it, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos na ina-upload ko. Alright? At habang nililinisan ni Merwin ng bumper, I will proceed to the rear side para ma-install yung rear skirt, yung spoiler, tsaka yung ducktail. Alright? Maaaring ibaba ko tong camera guys, ano? Install ko muna, okay? Diyan lang kayo. Alright guys, so na-install ko na. Ayan o. Ayan yung ducktail or tinatawag namin na mid spoiler. Ayan. Naka-adhesive tape lang naman yan, kaya madaling i-install, ano. Same dito dun sa dito sa top spoiler natin, adhesive lang. O, diba? O, galing ko mag-install, ano. Next to be installed guys, itong rear skirt. Ayan o, kita nyo naman. Dahil lang install kasi perfect fit siya. Meron lang siyang mga adhesives. So meron siyang actually rubber piping. Ayan, tapos adhesives. Pag nasalpak nyo, ayan, tatanggalin nyo na lang yung yung adhesive tape na pula. Ayan. And of course, didinan nyo lang. Tapos may mga screws din yan. So pag tanggal nyo ng tapes, yan, screw nyo yung magkabilang gilid. Yan. Actually may butas na yan, ano. So yung screw, shoot nyo na lang tapos higpitan. Alright, para matibay. And aside from that, meron siyang tatlong brackets actually sa likod. I mean sa ilalim. Alright, so hindi siya basta-basta matatanggal. So meron ng protection ng rubber piping. And meron siyang adhesive. Tapos nakascrew na yung magkabilang gilid. Actually apat yan. So dalawa dito tsaka dalawa dun sa kabilang gilid. And of course yung dun sa ilalim meron tatlong brackets. By the way, kung gusto nyo nga palang umorder ng Amotriz body kits, you can visit Amotriz Philippines Facebook page. You can also follow them. Also send them a message for pricing and discount. Right, so balik naman tayo dito sa front. Ini-install na ni Merwin yung front chain, guys. And mamaya, install na rin namin yung front grill. Ayan, so tapusin lang natin yan, ano. Front chain with DRL, hinihigpitan lang.
Meanwhile, at the palace of King Poseidon, ruler of the seven seas.
So ito na yung XL7 spoiler ni-install ni Kuya Rizal. Habang install naman natin yung front grill. There it is. Yan, matatapos na yung front grill natin. Install na natin yung logo nya, no? And higpitan na lang natin yung guys. First, punasan natin ng konti. Bago natin makalimutan mga kaibigan, shoutout nga pala sa kaibigan natin si Delmar and Rizal Cacao and family from Pavia, Italy. Kay Toto, kay Boss Rick, kay Mark Paolo, kay Miles ng Miles Body Kits, Thailand, Lester ng Team Payaman, at si Sir Ian Cruz syempre, at sa lahat ng supporters natin at followers. Thank you so much. Alright, so we're almost done with the body kits installation at the front. Let's just put these two bumper clips and of course the four metal screws. Yung bumper clips plastic lang yan, ano? And then these four metal screws, pero wag muna natin higpitan, guys, because what we're going to do first before natin higpitan is yan, tulak natin yung bumper. Push a little bit to tighten it. Kusa na yan maglalak, ano, pagka tinulak nyo. Ito parang ganito lang yan. Ayan. Tulak mo, boy. Ayan. Ayan, yan. Ayan. Almost done with the wiring, guys, and Merwin's making sure na nakazip tayo yung wire natin sa ilalim para hindi siya madi-disconnect. Mag-proceed sa buffing, and while Mar is buffing the hood, we will install the side skirts. Yung side skirts natin, meron ding screw yan both sides and adhesive. Aside from that, meron pa yung bracket sa ilalim. Yan in-install na ni Merwin para matibay. Then we will proceed to these fender flares. Install natin. Napakita ko na rin to, no? Yan. Yung mga kits na in-install natin sa rear part. So the spoiler, and the ducktail, the rear skirt, yan. And then we will proceed to buffing. Buff na natin to, guys, para matanggal yung mga yung mga hairline scratches. So ayan yung purpose ng buffing natin, to remove any hairline scratches and pakintabin para of course flawless, di ba? Ayan, kintab, di ba? Skirt, saka yan, may nakita parang hairline strap. a little later. Right guys, so we're done installing the side skirts. And ito na. Final na to. Mga fender flares na. Alright. Merwin is already wiping it off with a clean cloth. And isopropyl para matanggal yung mga contaminants. It's very important to remove the contaminants para tumikit yung adhesive tapes dun sa kotse natin. Alright. By the way, si Kuya Rizal nga pala. Ayan, tumutulong na mag-install. He's a painter, professional mechanic also. And Merwin is also a professional technician working at Ford BGC. Kung meron kayong gustong ipa-install sa kanya, if you're nearby BGC, you can comment down below para makontak nyo si Merwin. Alright. By the way, shoutout nga pala sa mga kaibigan natin. Shoutout to Club Ertiga, Team CS Philippines, Ertiga Philippines, Team Celerio, Jimny Club, and of course Suzuki Swift Club of the Philippines. Sino pa ba? Vitara and APV Club. Shoutout sa inyo guys. And welcome nga pala sa XL7 Philippines, ang pinakabago ng Team Suzuki. Ingat po kayong lahat. Hopefully magkita-kita tayo after this pandemic. So let's go back to the fender flare installation. And guys, napakadaling install. All you have to do is just remove the adhesive tapes, salpak nyo, insert the fender clips underneath. Yan, tapos na. Right? So walang kahirap-hirap, 'di ba? And nga pala, we're on the finishing touches, So what we're doing now is we're applying some heat using a heat gun para dumikit kaagad yung adhesives natin. Alright? tayo mag-install ng body kits for Suzuki Ertiga. Napaka-pogi guys. Panoorin nyo ulit yung video ha. And abangan nyo yung mga susunod na videos ko. Mag-install tayo ng GL Grandia body kits. Okay? So thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Peace out.